Hey Glam Girl Squad, what's up? It's your girl Andelle. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be taking you guys on a journey onto how I put this cool little viney wall up. It's so easy, you guys. So if you guys want to see how I completed this wall, make sure to keep on watching. I did want to bring you guys something a little bit different than a normal beauty tutorial. I want to give you guys something kind of fun. I'm playing music, I'm vibing out, and this is something to just kind of cheer you guys up if you guys are feeling kind of down. So if you are ready to have some fun, if you're ready to laugh, you're ready to just do some DIY-ish, let's get into the video. Arriba, arriba. I have got these from Amazon. These are about $15 for the whole pack, and I have this much of it. Thumbnail. I think I should be fine. So we're gonna use some command strips to put this on the wall today. This is a good way. It won't ruin your walls. It'll be easy to take them down, and this is what we're gonna use. I was trying to figure out how you put them on, and I found these. Should be easy. Should be. Alcohol. Oh shit, it's upside down.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got blood problems, that's a human in me. Bling bling, then I saw them, that's
Okay, the last one, y'all. Take it here. I'll take it over here.
waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew.
Okay, so this is the completed wall. I ended up using a little bit more command strips than I thought I would. I bought a 9-pack of command strips, so I literally used 8 of them. 8 is like one of my numbers. But I ended up using 8 of them. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Literally, there's one left in the pack. They were pretty easy to put on. I didn't wait 30 seconds. I also didn't wait an hour before using them. But I'm also not hanging things that are going to be heavy. So if you are going to be hanging things that are pretty heavy, make sure that you guys do follow these instructions. Again, I just have one more left. I also used some alcohol. And other than that, I got these off of Amazon. Super easy, super quick. If you guys want to do it. I don't know if I'm going to keep this love light here like I have mentioned to you guys before. Right now it's looking kind of cute, but I don't know if I want it to just be there. I'm going to decide what I want to do later on. This looks super cute. I know some people were saying that you might need 2 boxes. I think I'm fine with the 1 box. If anything, 1 box. If anything, I would use the other box to maybe create like a smaller section of the wall, so it could just be like a wall corner, or maybe move this over there. Excuse me. I don't know. But for now, I am totally and utterly satisfied. This is super fun. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see me do more videos like this. I thought this was going to be pretty cool. I know with everything going on with like the coronavirus, my everybody in quarantine, and like the just like mass hysteria, the fear that's amongst us. I wanted to kind of do something that was fun for me, interactive with my hands. So I just wanted to do something that's a little bit different and kind of fun. So it was fun for me. You guys play some music and vibe out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the Glam Girl Squad. If you're not hitting that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button already. Thumbs up this video, like it, comment down below. Let me know if I should keep this or if I should take it out. What else should I put here? Let me know there if I should just leave it as it is. And this is what it looks like without the light. It looks pretty cute, pretty simple, you know? It gives me cute vibes. So yeah, that's the end of my wow video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.